Yes, good morning, Nana. Today we are going to discuss 24th April 2018 problems. Two question papers have, 10 problems we can discuss now. See, two balls are drawn from the one on. Two balls are drawn from on, containing 7 white, 6 red, and 7 white plus 6 red plus 8 black. Total we have 7 plus 6 13 plus 8 21 balls. One after another you have selecting without replacement. Probability that at least one of them is white. At least one ball is white means either one white ball or two white balls you have. So that is the reason I will do 1 minus probability of none of them is white. I will do none of them is white. That means 1 minus, I will select the two balls from the red and black. Red plus black you have 8 plus 6 14 balls you have. First ball taking the probability other than white is 14 by total number of balls 21. For second ball, one ball is over, remaining 14 minus 1 by 21 minus 1. That equal to 1 minus 14 by 21 into 13 by 20. 7 2s are 7 3s are 10s are. That is 1 minus 13 by 30. 17 by 30 is the answer. Copy that problem. Mainly I am discussing the probability. Nearly up to now we discussed the 40 to 50 problems we discussed. So you have to follow the probability and random variables from our material. From our material you can complete. These all models in our material are there. If we complete those all models, definitely we get the 5 problems in the MCET examination 2020. Coming to the next question. See, two numbers A and B are chosen from the set of integer 1 to 39. Total number of integers is given 39 integers are given. So n of s you have to select two numbers from the 39 C2. You are finding the probability those two numbers satisfy the equation 7a minus 9b equal to 0. Means multiple of 7 minus multiple of 9 is equal to 0. That means you have to check the multiple of 7 and 9 are equal you want to. 7 into 9 equal to, we know that 63 equal to 9 into 7. So one order pair A comma B will get A comma B. So 9 comma 7. One order pair 9 comma 7. Below 39 you have to check. So if we take the 7 into 18 equal to 9 into 14. One more order pair 18 comma 14. 18 comma 14. One more order pair 7 into 27 equal to 9 into 21. So one more order pair 27 comma 21. Next 9 into 36, 7 into 36 equal to 9 into 28. So 36 comma 28. Like that order pairs you have, 4 order pairs you have. So n of a equal to 4. Satisfy the given condition, satisfies a and b values, a value 7, b value 9. This condition satisfies. If we A value 18, b value 14, condition satisfies. A value 27, b value 21, that condition satisfies. A value 36, b value 28, that condition is satisfied. That means n of a have 4 chances here. N of a have 4 chances. So P of A equal to N of A by N of S. That is the 4 by 39 C2. Do the calculation, we get the 4 by 741, we get the answer. 4 by 741. Copy that problem. So next question. In a manufacturing company, three machines A comma B comma C respectively, then 20%, 30%, 50% are produced. A produced the manufacturing company 20% of the articles, B produced 30% of the articles, C produced 50% of the articles. They given probability of A produce 20%, probability of B produce 30%, probability of C produce 50%. Articles they produce. The defective product of A comma B comma C are 5% and 3% and 2%. I will tell that let D be the defective article. Let D be the defective article. Article I will take defective article. So P of D by A is given. They given the A 5%. P of D by B is given defective article and the B is given 3%. Probability of D by C is given 2%. They are asking if an article produced by the company is selected at random and is to found it is defective. If an article produced by the company is selected at random, it is found to be defective. Then find the probability that produced by the machine B. So you can use a Bayes theorem. Probability of machine B on defective is equal to probability of B into on the defective D by B less probability of A into probability of D by A plus probability of B into probability of D by B plus probability of C into probability of D by C. Substitute in the condition, we get P of B have 30% into D by B have 3% by 20 into 5 plus 30 into 3 plus 50 into 2. So finally we'll get 10 common P of